In this video, we will show the best bidet seats available to buy. At number 8. Greenco Non-Electric Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. It is non-electric bidet. Adjustable, retractable spray nozzle for your best cleansing experience. Made of durable high-quality plastic that does not rust. At number 7. Alton ABS Toilet Bidet Sprayer. It allows you to fully control the water sprayer pressure for your comfort. The dual dials easily allow you to operate the dual nozzle and choose front and self-cleaning. At number 6. SereneLife Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. Non-electric cold water bidet is easy to use and easy to set up. It is designed for a gentle and efficient hygiene clean. It comes with all necessary parts for installation. At number 5. Clean Bidet 200. It minimizes the spread of bacteria. It helps in maintaining hygienic and drier toilet environment. All tools included in the box can support most installations. At number 4. American Standard Bidet Seat. It has a modern design with a slim 60mm telescoping seat that accompanies any decor. This seat features water-pressured bidet seat with adjustable spray patterns and detachable nozzles. At number 3. Ambient Nozzle Attachable Bidet. It is an ambient water temperature attachable bidet, made of high-impact ABS resin, with a self-cleaning 3-position nozzle. Internal mechanism is made of brass, and does not use electricity. At number 2. Luxe Plastic Bidets 110. Neo 110 is constructed with high-pressure faucet quality valves with metal, ceramic core and braided steel hoses instead of traditional plastic. At number 1. Luxe Bidet Neo 320. It is chrome-plated water pressure and temperature control lever for a more elegant look. It has quick and easy installation.